Know your body. New words 3.
Before we learn more about the body, let's learn a few new words.
Do you know what bacteria are?
Teacher, bacteria are very small living things. In Marathi, we say Jeevanu. They cause cold, cough and other illnesses. Can we see bacteria, teacher?
Very good question, Ahmad. We cannot see bacteria without a good microscope. Can someone make a sentence with bacteria?
There are bacteria everywhere. In water, in the air, and in the mud as well.
Good. The next word is scent.
Teacher, scent means a good smell. Sugandha.
Can you make a sentence with scent, Ruchi?
The park is full of the scents of flowers.
Teacher, I know the meaning of repair. It means to set something right or to fix something. I can also make a sentence. I like to repair cycles.
And I know the meaning of injured. To be injured is to be hurt. Ahmad was injured when he fell off his cycle.
When blood becomes thick and hard, we say the blood clots. When Ahmad fell off the cycle, his knee was bleeding. Then the blood started to clot.
A scab is a thick, rough covering that forms when a cut gets better. In Marathi, we say khapli. A scab formed on the cut on my knee.
Do you know what fuse means?
No, teacher.
It means to join together to make one. Priya fused the two pieces of clay into one piece.
Sneeze means shinka.
Ach!
When I catch a cold, I sneeze again and again.
Excellent, Jenny. Do you know what a plaster cast is?
Yes, teacher. I had one when I broke my arm. It is a stiff bandage that does not allow the arm to move. The doctor put a plaster cast on my arm.
Now that you have learned these new words, let us look at some special facts about our body.